Hello students, now we are going to learn the remaining topic of the ASP.NET, that is the tree view, menu, login control, error handling, user profile, and web service, user control, web.config file, and directory in ASP.NET. Okay, and by end of this we completed our coursework of the ASP.NET. Yes, and I hope that all you are learning the online lectures and offline videos of the YouTube, and you also practice. If you have a laptop, then practice on it in your laptop. Yes. Now let us learn the tree view navigation control. Tree view navigation control is used to display hierarchical data such as table of contents or file or directory in a tree structure, and supports the following features: data binding uh, with the use of XML. It can be allowed inside the tree view control. Yes, sitemap path navigation is also we can attach or bind with the tree view control. Yes, node can be display text and can be displayed as either a plain text or hyperlinks. Yes, so if the node are displaying, then it will display as a plain text, or it can be displayed as a hyperlink. Yes, programmatic access to tree view object model to create the trees, populate the nodes, and set properties, and so on dynamically. Yes, so we can create the nodes dynamically, and add the n number of nodes dynamically as we required. Yes, client side node population on supported browser. Yes, so on the supported browser, client side node population are also available. Yes, so that is the node moving and node shifting are also available. The ability to display the check boxes next to each node. Yes, and customizable appearance through themes, user defined images, and styles. So these are the features are available inside the tree view control. Yes, we know that tree view is basically used to represent the hierarchical information. Yes, it can be used to explore the we can say the set of information in hierarchical manner. Yes, and it have a root node and parents node. Yes, one root node and number of parents node, or we can say it have a parents node and then it have a child node. Yes, uh, next will be properties of the tree view control. Yes, first one property is we can say data source ID. Yes, it is the ID of the source in which data source can be attached. Text indicates the text property to display in the node. Yes, it is the node text property. Tooltip indicate when we move to the particular node, then this we can say information will be displayed. Value is what indicates the non-displayed value, usually unique ID, or we can say it is a unique ID. Yes, navigate URL. Yes, inside if we use a node as a hyperlink, then we can use the property navigate URL, and we all know what is the use of navigate URL. Yes, target means what, when the particular page will be open when we click on the particular node. Yes, image URL, it is the URL that appeared the next to the node. Yes, image tooltip, same way it is one type of tooltip. Yes, node spacing, the space between the current node and the above node or below node. Vertical padding, yes, it will we can give the padding between the top and bottom of the node text. Same way horizontal padding, it will give the horizontally padding. Child node padding, space between the parent node and its child node. Yes, so these are we can say property of the tree view control. It is a navigation control. Events, let us see the events. Selected node change occurs when the node selected index is changed inside the tree view control. Same way, this one is the by default event. Tree node check change occurs when we can say the boxes of the tree view control change state between the post to the server. Okay, when we check or uncheck the particular tree view node, then this particular event will be elapsed. Same way, node collapse, when the all node is collapsed, then this particular event will occur. Tree node populate and tree node data bound. These are, we can say, extra events. You can refer or do not refer. Okay, that will not, you have to write only one or two events, it will be okay. Yes, tree view control is basically display like this inside your ASPX page. It have a ID, parent node style, our node style, selected node style, yes, and node style, node spacing. Yes, so these are, we can say, by using the node thing, or these are the style control, or we can say style display with the particular node or particular parent node. Yes, and here we can say there is no node is added, but if you add the node, then it will add with the node. Yes, so programmatically we are not going to learn this. Yes, or maybe if the time is remaining, then I will display how the programmatically this tree view control can be look like. Menu control are basically used to navigate the through the pages. Yes, and the menu control conceptually contains two types of items: static menu and dynamic menu. Static menu is what we can say top menu, or this file, home, insert, we can say these are the static menu. And if you click on this insert, then drop down will be open. Yes, or I will open the notepad. Yes, so if you click on this and this particular menu are open, so that undo, cut, copy, paste are called as a dynamic menu. Let us look the property of the menu control. First one is the data source ID. It is the ID of the particular data source. Text, it is a text property display in the menu. Yes, tooltip is what we all know that tooltip refer to the text or display a text when we move the mouse over to the particular menu item. Yes, value is the unique value attached with the particular menu item. Navigate URL are the, we can say, URL. Yes, target, selectable. Selectable means what? If you select anything, then we can set the property selectable, it is true or false. If I select the reference menu, then I can set the property selected is equal to selectable is equal to true. Yes, okay, now selectable, I hope that I misunderstand this. It is a true or false. Let us again understand. It is a true or false. If the false, then item can be selected. Yes, it is just like your disable. So if you set as a true, then your menu item or menu will be selectable. Otherwise, it is not. Image URL. It is the URL of the image. It will display along with the menu item. Yes, same way, you know, image tooltip, pop out image URL. Okay, these all are the style property. Yes, this static menu style property, when it will apply on the, we can say, the menu like this menu, top menu, file, edit, format. Yes, so this we can say it is the main menu, and if you apply any style inside the static menu style, then it will appear here. If you apply the dynamic menu style, then it will appear in the sub menu items. Yes, static menu item style, same way. Yes, dynamic menu item style, these all property are related with the static and dynamic menu style, and these are the basic property. Yes, we can create the menu control like this: ASP menu ID, run at server, data source ID. Yes, static menu item style, we can see that all I set it as a style. These are the ASPX thing, and you do not read down, sorry, I can say that write down inside your exam paper. You have to just write down only the what are the menu and property and event available with the menu, and nothing you have to write down like this. Yes, so if you refer then it will okay, and if you don't refer then it will also okay. Yes, so let us stop by here, and in the next lecture we will learn about the login controls and all the things. Thank you.